So ito guys ang K80 Pro. No? So kita natin camera module niya is the same sa K80 pero medyo rounded lang siya. No? So it has two colors. Shiny yung kanyang ibabaw and matte finish yung ilalim niya. And insides niya is also matte finish. Maganda kanyang grip. Flat ang kanyang screen. No? And maganda naman kanyang bezels. Manipis. No? Yeah. And maliit ang kanyang camera bump. Maliit ang kanyang front facing camera punch hole niya. Ito sa ilalim. Ito sa ibabaw. Yung kanyang speaker grills most likely nandito sa kanyang earpiece. No? Sarap naman feel naman niya. And this is yung kanyang price by the way. Yeah. Yung K80 Pro, it has I think 3 colors, green, black, tsaka itong white na. Check lang natin kanyang camera. Get yung quick snap. Yeah. Yan na natin. No? Clear naman based sa aking observation dito, okay naman. In details niya, okay naman. So we'll see more of this once na na-review natin sa ating channel. So don't forget to follow me for more for the K80 Pro ni Redmi. I'll see you around.